Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate Show. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic forecast of the top 5 cryptocurrencies during the last 24 hours. Today's Crypto Climate Show is about recession fears. A lot of people are panicking. A lot of us believe that a recession is either here or incoming pretty soon. So usually those kind of environments create, a lot of panic, a lot of fear. And usually price action reflects that as well. So we're going to analyze, the cryptocurrency prices today. We're going to also go into the charts. It's going to be a special edition of the Crypto Climate Show in the sense that today we're going to extend ourselves to also analyze gold, silver, and the S&P 500, the stock market. So we're going to, provide brief analysis, about those different asset classes. Just understand, what these are indicating, and of a recession is near. So it's always good to apply technical analysis, to all those asset classes as well. So let's start off with Bitcoin. Number one, BTC, the king, currently at around $20,700, give or take. Number two, Ethereum, currently at around $1,563, down 8.24%. And Bitcoin's down around 4% in the last 24 hours. Let's actually click here. Those are the top two. Let me just sign in real quick. Apologize for that. Let's go ahead and so we went over the top two cryptocurrencies in the world. Now let's go on to number three, BNB, currently at around $285, down 5.32%. And then number four, we have XRP, the scam, currently at around 0.34 cents, down 2.50%. And then we have number five, Cardano, to round it off as usual, around 0.44 cents, and it's down 4.88 cents. I'm sorry, percent, around 5% down in the last 24 hours. All right, let's move over to the top 5 best performing assets from the top 100 in the last 24 hours. Let's start with Huobi token, number one, at around $5 a pop. It's up currently 5%. Number two, we have a stable coin. And then number 4 and 5 are also stable coins. And then number 3 is T-Fuel at around 0.06 cents, currently up 0.44%. So as you guys can see, the market hasn't been up lately, because when you have stable coins in the top 5 best performing assets, look out. So the top 5 worst performing assets in the last 24 hours from the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the world. Let's start off with number 1, Decred, currently at around $30.10, down 11.47%. Number 2, we have Flow, currently at around $1.91, down 10.83%. Number 3, we have Uniswap, the unicorn coin, currently at around $6.35, down 10.12%. Number 4, we have EOS, currently at around $1.61, down 9.19%. And then you guys already know number 5, you can't miss the pharmacy coin, CVX, Convex Finance, currently at around $5.34, down on 9% in the last 24 hours. It hurts. Guys, moving on to technical analysis. We see here, we were mentioning this, that we were stuck in a range here. Market was boring, going sideways, stable in a sense. But now we have a more dynamic market in the sense of this current candle. We see that there was plenty of volatility today. A lot of people think is because of the Fed meeting, again, recession fears. So let's analyze it real quick. So we went from being stuck in this range between $20,750 up to $22,500. Honestly, I thought it was a possibility to come back up here and retest this. What was once key support back here, retested as resistance, but at the time being, we didn't actually go up to do that. We're stuck. We continue to be stuck here in what can be seen as a bear flag. And that's why if we break this to the downside right here, it could be a clear indicator that further downside continuation can obviously happen. And again, that $20,750 level, we haven't closed below yet. So just stay tuned in the next couple of days to see. And with today's candle, we close below that key, what is now support level, and then the next candle to see if we confirm it as resistance. If so, then we expect for the downside to the $19,000 area in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. But let's see how this candle closes. There's still hope to see if we close back within this range of this ascending channel, which is part of a bigger formation, which is the bear flag. So we have to wait and see. Let's see what Bitcoin's going to decide to do. So stay tuned to see how this candle is going to close and in the next couple of days to see what Bitcoin decides to do. On a weekly note, we see that we're currently below the 200-week moving average, so that's extremely bearish. We have back-to-back, at least for now, consecutive bearish red negative candles, in the last 2 weeks. So let's see how it closes. Again, today's Friday, going into the weekend, things don't look too bullish. They actually look bearish. So, let's see how this candle's going to close from here to Sunday. As we have the candle close on Sunday, stay tuned. Right now, we're currently below that key support level of $20,750. Let's see if it closes below. Then again, next week, we might confirm this level as resistance before just having a little bit more follow through, towards the $19,600 level, and then after that the 19,000 level that we mentioned in this previous chart, daily chart. So moving on to the DXY again, guys. We've been making accurate calls lately with the DXY. We had the local high, and then we called for a possible double top formation. So in the past couple of days we've been going down, but today again, most people think is because of the Fed and things of that nature, which we can't say yes, we can't say no. What we can is read the charts, and obviously it seems that could have had an impact on the DXY's current candle. We see this as extremely bullish in the sense that there's a massive buy pressure wick here in a sense. So we expect further continuation to retest this key resistance level where we've had the past 2 local highs. So again, if it holds, then obviously we expect possible retest of the 107 resistance down here, and and then we would have to see if it holds or not. But if we break the past 2 local highs, then we would have a new local high. We would expect new continuation towards the upside, and we can analyze how much to the upside in a future video. Then we have the Bitcoin dominance. Again, it's been going down for the past 2 months, really, just surprising everyone. But again, we have a brief bounce in today's candle. We have to wait and see if Bitcoin's going to be more dominant than the altcoins. If they're both going down, then it means that that Bitcoin is going to go less down than the altcoins. So we have to monitor that. Again, the key support level is going to be that 40% Bitcoin dominance level. But right now we're currently testing resistance at around 40.64%. But we have to wait and see. If we close above it, then the next candle would confirm it as support, and then most likely continue on to the next resistance level. And again, special edition today, let's go ahead and briefly cover gold, silver, and the stock market. If you guys like the fact that we're doing this, make sure you guys leave a comment, like the video, and we might just add this to our crypto climate show video, so depending on the feedback. So again, just analyzing gold briefly, we can see that we've had a double top here in August 2020, and here in February 2022 we can see this double top formation in gold. So since then, essentially for most of the calendar year, we've been going down, as we can see via this trend downtrend here, the trend line going towards the downside. We've had bounces here and there, but for the most part it's just been going down to this key support level of 1680. So $1,680 per ounce. We can see the wicks here, wick here, clear support here as well, and here currently. So we just have to wait and see. We come back down to retest this, and then the support down here, and then retest the trend line once again, and then break out. Then that could be a good indicator of bullishness towards gold and precious metals, or if we come down and we re-break this, that would be devastating, because the next key support level would be $1,450 per ounce for gold. So again, we just have to wait and see. For now, it's been bearish. It's been following most assets. Many people say due to the interest rates hikes and just the overall bearishness, in all types of markets and asset classes. So we just have to keep monitoring this. And then silver usually follows, similar patterns as to gold, as they're both, the key precious metals. they're key precious metals. Everyone just bases around gold and silver. So again, here we have key support and resistance. We see that $21.89 per ounce for silver has been key support. So again, we broke it, reconfirmed it as resistance here, and then just came right back down to that next support level at around $18, give or take. So we've had a bounce off that key support, but again, it seems that, you know, it's likely that we can come back down here to retest it. You know, if it breaks down, then we might expect, you know, $14-15 silver, in which case, but if it holds, it could be, you know, a bottom here, and then we can go up towards, you know, that next resistance level of $21.89. Going on to the SPX, the S&P 500, we see here that basically for the calendar year, same thing. We've been going, you know, you can analyze the trend. It's been down in a sense. We've had, you know, key bounces here, as we can see, but you know, they've all failed, and there's been continuation to the downside. Again, if this one doesn't change, again, the current weekly candle is very bearish, red, at least for now. Let's see how, well, today's Friday, so it closed like this. We have to wait and see on Monday to see how it's going to open, but you know, that next key support level is around 3,550 for the S&P 500, and then below that we have 3,400 and then 3,250, give or take. You know, so those are the levels that we're keeping an eye on. Again, this key trend line, it's a downtrend. It's been key resistance for the whole year of 2022. So stay tuned to see how that reacts. And let's see what the S&P is, you know, is going to continue to do. We're in a bear market. Things have been bearish for 2022. Let's see how things change, you know, into Q3, the rest of the Q3 and Q4 for the stock market. So, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please like the video, sub to our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below, and also we have in the description down below, we have a link to our website, to our social networks. You can come here, also to cryptocurrency exchanges, anything you would need, tools and resources, you can swing by. Also swing by our Twitter. You guys can come over here. Our follower account is growing. You can come follow us. We provide great cryptocurrency content over there, and obviously our YouTube channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Click on the notification bell for our latest videos. Again, thank you for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.